to discuss about our concept, whatever we have started it on Monday. Yes, and already we are started the new lesson on Monday. Yes, that is only what actually weather and the climate. Weather and the climate. Weather and climate. Here, how we take a weather and a climate, already we are discussed. Once again, we have taken our recapitulation on that first day, whatever we discussed. Which one is called weather and which one is called climate? Okay, what is the difference between these two terms? Any difference is there or not? Yeah, there is a what? Weather conditions, climate conditions. The both are same only. Yeah, what is the changes are there in this? Okay, yes, that is only we have to go to discuss. And in the last class we are discussed about, we once recalled our 6th class lesson, rain, where does it come from? That lesson once we recall here. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is there in that lesson? Yeah, what is there in that lesson? Actually, our mother or father may expected the weather. Okay, now when you are go out at that time, our mother or father may suggest at that time you take umbrella, otherwise you wear raincoat. Okay, now otherwise nowadays our mothers and fathers have said regularly you must and should wear that sweater. Okay, now yes, otherwise cap. Okay, now like a monkey cap. Okay, why? Because there is around us now I winter situation, nothing but I cold is there. Okay, clear. Winter situation is going on, and because of that surrounding thing is contain a coldness. Because of that cold may affected our body. That's why our mother and father said what? Yes, there is a high cold is there. You compulsory wear. There is a whatever wool cloths. Okay, clear or not, understand? Why they suggest like that? Yes, and they are actually suggest before that only, before 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock only, our mother is made ready to wear that all the wool cloths. Why? Yeah, when it is going at sunset automatically, yes, there is a cold may get for us. She predict like that. And as well as that summer also, our mother said that don't wear the what bright colored clothes. Yes, and as well as it when there is a cloud is there, cloudy, the sky is contain a cloudy nature. Our mother suggests you take umbrella, otherwise any raincoat like that. Clear or not all the students? Yes, why they suggested like that? How they know? Yeah, they predict the what actually. Based on a condition of weather, based on a condition of weather, there is we are going to discuss. We are going to predict that all the things. Got it or not? This is only the fundamental information we have taken for that our weather and climate condition. Already we have discussed it here. There is what we have discussed here. There is a table 1. In the table 1 we have what? The page number is 54. Table 1 it is there. In the table 1 there we have somewhat information it is there. What is the weather? what is the weather? Yeah, what is the weather components are there? There is a different components are there in the weather. Okay, clear or not all of you? Once you check it here, what the components are there in the weather? Okay, there is a what higher maximum temperature is there, and as well as the what minimum temperature is also there. What is the maximum temperature and what is the minimum temperature? Yes, there is sometimes there is a maximum temperature is possible, sometimes there is a what minimum temperature is possible. Maximum temperature and another time there is a minimum temperature is possible here. Okay, and next, further here we take in one more thing, that is the rainfall. Rainfall, and one more thing here, there is a sky situation. That is what is the situations are there in a sky maybe. Okay, and as well as there is a what one more thing, that is only humidity, and as well as the sunrise and sunset. These are the yes components of weather. What it thinks actually, these are all components of weather. Okay, now may it changes regularly or may not it is also. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a what may it is a changes regularly or may not also it is a changes here. What is the things? Weather is nothing but whatever our atmosphere is there. In atmosphere, some components like a temperature, okay, na? And as well as there is a whatever humidity and whatever the rain and as well as the whatever sunset, whatever the sunrise, whatever the changes are coming in our atmosphere and in our environment, okay, na? Yes, that is only called what actually weather, due to the temperature, due to the percentage of water in a air, due to the wind nature. Okay, clear or not all of you? Wind is moving slowly or fast. Like that there is a what? Whatever the wind movement, whatever the wind, it is a movement at that time, it is taken capturing the amount of a wetness or dry wind, or it is a dry wind or wet wind. Otherwise, may it is a rain may comes or not. These all changes together it is only called as what actually weather. The components in atmosphere is like this: temperature, water, air. These all are combined together. It is only called what as a weather. Okay, clear or not all of you? The situation whatever occurred due to these changes, that is only called what? Climate. Okay, clear or not all the students? The situation, whatever the weather component or changes, that is only called what actually climate. Whatever the atmosphere components are there, like a temperature, water, and as well as the air, and as well as the hot, and as well as the whatever the wind, these all are called, the portion of that all the things are called, combined together it is called as what actually weather. I hope you understood. Okay, got it or not all the students? And here there is a what is the maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature, what is the rainfall, what is the sky maybe it is in a which nature, and what is its wind nature. Okay, these all the things are there. Got it or not? And how it is a changes from one day to the another day, one day to the another day. There is a what we are taking here, day 1, day 2, and another day 3. Like that you have to take here. This is the day 1, and this is the day 2, and this is the day 3. Like that we have taken here. Understand all the students? And here in the day 1, there is a may greatest temperature may get for us, may lowest temperature, may there is a whatever the temperatures are recorded on throughout the day, it will be taken, it is a maximum, it is called a maximum temperature. In case it is a minimum, it is called a minimum temperature. It is the lowest one, it is called a minimum. It is the highest one, it is called a maximum temperature. Clear or not, all the students? And sometimes the rain is a fall greater, sometimes may no rainfall. Rainfall regularly occur? No, it is not occur regularly. Yes, based on a rain session. Nowadays not only coming the rain is coming in a rain session only. You'll know very well how the rain will become for us. Okay now? Yes, there is a what, in case there is a evaporation condensation process is going on, and there is a what, afterwards may rain coming. You know very well. Yes, that is based on a session or otherwise based on environmental factors. May it is occur automatically, the rain is also yes fall down. And as well as how we'll get that information about the rainfall? By using our sky region. What is the nature of the sky? It is there. It is totally filled by the cloud. Otherwise may not it is filled by the cloud. Okay, now may it is filled by the total clouds. Automatically may we are expecting the rain may falls. Okay, now may not, may it is not a compulsory. May not it falls. But may it is indication of rainfall in case the sky is filled by the clouds. In case it is not filled by the clouds, maybe not it is expecting. May it is filled by the cloud, may it is, may not. Okay, why? Because the clouds are there only and there is a cool breeze may touch with that clouds, automatically the rainfall may occur. Otherwise they move from one place to the another place. You know very well about that clouds movement. In a 6th class we already discussed it. Yes, due to the air, the clouds are moved from one place to the another place. When again they dividing as into the one large raindrop, automatically it is fall down from that cloud. You know very well how there is a rain may come from the cloud. Yes, like that, clouds are there also. And I will also one more thing, that is only wind nature. Okay now, the wind may be in the three format: very mild breeze, otherwise mild breeze, and as well as a good breeze. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And once check it out, what the changes, what the components are there. First concentrate on the components now. What the components are there? Temperature, one is the component. Another one is the rainfall, nothing but water contained, the rainfall. And as well as the sky also. Sky is indicate the rainfall, that is also. And moreover wind, that is also. And sunrise and sunset, that is also. Okay, now once you check it, the summer, sun is a set and rise timings are different. They take a large time to set and rise. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, may it is a rise at 5:45 only, morning 5:45. May it is a set at 6 o'clock also sometimes. In this way there is a changes are coming. Already we have discussed in our first class about this tabular format. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. There is observed day 1, day 2, day 3. What the changes are there? Once take it in the table 1. There is in a day 1. Once you go through the temperatures. What is the temperatures are there? 28 degrees. Maximum temperature it where? It is a 28 degrees. And the minimum temperature may be the 21 degrees only. When you come to the second day, it is a 27 degrees. Okay, now it is taken as the minimum temperature. Again it is 17 degrees only. Okay, now then the ones come to here 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, now 29 degrees Celsius. At where it is maximum temperature, and the minimum temperature may again 21 degrees centigrade. What we observed in this particular temperature purpose, the temperature is the changes from day 1, day 2, day 3 or not? Yeah, it is the changes. Okay, now which temperature changes? Maximum temperature may changes. May sometimes same maximum temperature also may get for you. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Every day the compulsory the temperatures are changes, the maximum temperatures. The temperatures are changes from time to time, from one time to another time. From time to time it is the changes. But on particular on one day, there will be a particular situation or a particular time instant, it will be become maximum. No other time that reaches the temperature. No other time it is not reaches the temperature. That temperature is called maximum temperature, which is a maximum value. Like that only somewhat time it is minimum temperature, means what? That is the coldest time. That is the coldest situation in the day. That is only called the minimum temperature. Maybe the hottest time, that is represent the what? Maximum temperature. Got it or not? Yes, that is only given as a minimum and maximum temperatures. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now, Mr. Sekhar, you don't go away from the class. Don't stay here. Huh? Got it or not all the students? What is the maximum and what is the minimum temperature? This is only about a maximum and minimum temperature in a weather. Due to the why there is a temperature such changes, you know very well. Why the weather, in the weather the temperatures are, why it is the changes? First thing is the sun. First condition is the what? Sun. How the temperature is getting throughout this earth? Who is producing the temperature for the throughout earth? You or me or any other our human beings? No, it is not because of the human beings there is this much of temperature may not possible to provide to earth. Then which one is the producer? The sun is the producer. Okay, this total temperature is the producer for our earth is by whom? By sun only. Yes, and that sun temperature, sun is a varied. Otherwise the sun rays are made covered by the clouds. Okay, clear or not all of you? Otherwise may there is whatever the temperature, whatever the factors are there that influence the temperature. The sun is a producer daily only one temperature only. But what is the difference? Our earth rotation, earth revolution. You know very well what is the earth rotation, what is the earth revolution. Earth rotation is nothing but what? Itself it rotated around its own axis. That is called earth rotation. Revolution is nothing but there is a what? Our earth is. Okay, now this is the sun. Around the sun, our earth is revolving around in a particular elliptical orbits. Okay, clear or not all the students? At that time, the sun is revolving around it also, itself it also. Okay, now due to this situation, there is a what? The temperatures are changes. When there is a sun, our earth is in front of sun. When our earth surface is in front of sun, at that time, there is it is treated as maximum temperature we get for us when our sun is in front of sun. Our earth is in front of sun and may it is not covered by any clouds. At that time there is a maximum temperature will be get for us. When will we get the minimum temperature? Yeah, there is a may it is not supposed to in front of sun and otherwise the clouds are may come between earth and sun. Otherwise may rain fall, yes, and otherwise may far and away from the sun. Okay, once take it here. In this particular situation, sun is nearer to the our earth or not. When it is our earth is here at this particular position, the earth is away from the sun or not. So in this situation, there is a what? Winter sessions are good for us. In case it is in front of sun. In case there is a what? In this particular situation, there is a what? It will be summer session. Because of the temperatures are varied on our earth. Got it or not all the students? And on one day, there is a two temperatures we have taken. Why? Because suppose once taken morning. Morning contain what? Low temperatures. Okay, clear or not all of you? Evening is the contain again the low temperature. At afternoon, there it will be contain high temperatures. Okay, clear or not all the students? You know very well. When you observe at afternoon, our sun looks very nearer to us. Okay, now on our top of our head only. That is only called afternoon hour. And when you observe at morning, it will be look somewhat go away from us. And when you observe there is sun, it is at the set time once at evening session. It will be appear at away from the us again. Okay, at night there is not appeared. The sun is not appeared for us. Yes, because of what? Earth rotation. These things are occur during the rotation. Yes, there is a earth is may somewhat nearer to the sun and as well as may away from the sun. Because of that, the temperatures are varied. Yes, and most of the thing there is a what? The temperatures, maximum temperatures or minimum temperatures, which is indicate the coldest temperature of the day is called minimum temperature. Yes, greatest temperature, yes, lowest temperature of the day, total throughout the day which is recorded, that is only called minimum temperature, and hottest temperature or greatest temperature which is recorded throughout the day, that is only called what? Maximum temperature. This is about the temperatures now. Yes, and now come to here the next component, that is the rainfall and sky may be. What is the rainfall and sky may be? What is the components of weather we are going to discuss now? There is a what is that? There is you have to take a rainfall. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as there is a whatever the thing we have discussed as sky may be. What is the given here? What is the rainfall here? The rainfall may be none. Here day 1 is given as none. And here there is a what it is given? Light shower. May it is given as a light shower. Okay, clear or not all the students? Again there is a given what? None it is. Again it is given as none it is. Understood not all the students? It is given as a none it is. And here the sky may be. Yes, when it is a none, automatically the sky may be it is a clear. Yes, you know very well. Light shower means what? It is a cloudy. And again it is a clear. Okay, clear or not all the students? In this way, there is a what? It is a given somewhat cloudy only in our textbook. Yeah, then how do we are conclude about our this all the situations? There is once you check here, there is a rainfall is a none, and as well as the clouds are what actually. The sky may be clear, means what? There is no clouds. You know very well here. Okay, got it is or not all the students? There is a clear it is, and it is a cloudy, and it is a cloudy. Okay, but it is a none again. Day 3 is also there is a no rain, but what is going on? The sky is in a which mode? The sky is in cloudy. Every cloudy position is a provide a rainfall for us, may or may not it is. Clear or not all the students? Already we are discussing. But there is somewhat relation is there. In case our mother may predict, that is by using that observation of the cloudy sky is there. Our mother said, may the rain come. Okay, now may not it is, may compulsory may not come it is. May be come it is. Clear or not all the students? There is a what it will be. Yes, there is a given as here. None cloud, none rain. It is may compulsory. Clouds are may not there. Yes, suddenly the clouds are came. Before the 1 hour, the clouds are not there. And sometimes the cloud is may suddenly comes. Got it or not? Yes, automatically it is affected over here by the what? Rain. Sometimes the high cloud is there. And the no cold breeze, cold wind will be available for the clouds. You know very well. The cloud is there, the rain may comes. No, not it is. Okay, now compulsory. There is a what? The cloudy condition is not to provide the what here? That rain for us. Okay, now may there is a clear. It is may expected. The rainfall may not occur in case the clear up to that particular time only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Mr. Who's that? Devi Prasad may not appear. It is a page number for you. How many messages you are typing, you know? You not have concentration on that particular board and class. There already is given the page number here. Yeah. Here, due to the clear sky, maybe we are not expecting a rain. Maybe cloud is also may not expecting the rain, but it is not compulsory. Okay, now if the clouds are there, may possible of rain. From this one, this information may get for us. Okay, what is the reasons? You know very well. Already you are studied in your 6th class. If the clouds are also there, there is may sometimes not the rain getting. Without the clouds, there is no rain will be getting. You know very well. Yes, and this is only the given here, and the next here the humidity. Humidity is nothing but what actually the amount of moisture in a air, that is only called the humidity. Okay, got it or not? It is a given somewhat 95% and it is a 90% and it is a what actually 85%. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a what? Whatever the air is around us, there it is a contain somewhat moisture, that is only called the what? Amount of a moisture in our air, the percentage of water moisture in that is only taken as 95%. Got it or not? And here there is whatever the day 2 we take, it is a 90%. Okay, clear or not all the students? And here one humidity is a 85% only. Got it or not all the students? And there is a what? Once you check it out, there is a cold temperatures are there. May there is a what? More humidity is there. And once you check here, there is a day 2. What is there? Rainfall is there in our textbook. Once check here. Because of that is the percentage, it is about 90. Okay, now may rainfall is not there at that time also. Whatever that moisture in the wind, that will be contain 95%. Okay, got it or not? This is only that measurement of humidity in our weather. Okay, in this way. More percentage there, it is more moisture will be available. Less percentage there, less moisture may available. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now there come to here wind here, wind, humidity and wind here. There is about light breeze, means what? Not rushly coming the air with a high force or less force. When the cyclones are there, the wind with the coming with a high force. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, like that only it will be another manner, breezy and lightly breezy and as well as the good breezy. Very mild breeze here given. Very mild breeze. Nothing but there is a low wind. Okay, na moves here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like that we are considered. Lightly breeze here. Okay, and there is a what? Mild breeze. And it is taken somewhat good breeze. It is a good breeze. Got it or not? There is a what? Wind will be taken as a very mild breeze and good breeze here. Got it or not? In this way, there is a what? Based on a wind power, we have calculated there is a these values. Okay, and the next come to here, there is a whatever the sunrise and as well as the sunset. What is the sunrise and what is sunset? Already we have discussed it. Based on this condition, based on the revolution of earth around the sun, there it will be what? Yes, mild means minimum or maximum. It is another word. Slight. Okay, now yes, slight or heavy, like that. That is another word we are using for mild. Minute things are maximum things, that is. Once check it out here, sunrise and sunset. Sunrise means what? Yes, sun is initially appear on the day, it is only called sunrise. Sunset is nothing but when the sun is appear at last minute of the day, that is only called sunset. Okay, there is a given the what different timings are given once check here. Day to day it will be varied. Okay, clear or not all the students? Day to day it is a varied. Yes, there is a what it is a given sunrise at 6:25 a.m. morning 6:25 the sun is arises. Yes, and the day 1 it is a given according to the table 1. And after that the sunrise 6:30 a.m. already I am given in our calendar will be there that values sunrise and sunset. Here there is a what sunset it is a 5:40, 5:40, 5:41. Yes, depending on the situation of this particular session changes, the sun may rises, sun may appear as rising on a particular time, sun may looking set at some particular times. These are only day to day there is a changes are coming. What check here in our whatever the newspaper you have to take compulsory it is a contain some what weather broadcastings. One check here there is a whatever the weather. What is today's weather it is? This is the today's weather given by the our one of the paper, Deccan Chronicle. This one check here. What they are given? Yes, 29.8 degrees centigrade. May the maximum temperature may possible for today it is the what actually? Yes, 29.8 degrees centigrade, degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 17 point. Actually, it is the weather report. Yesterday's temperatures are given. Both the things are given. Nana. One is the forecast. Another one is a report. A report means what? Yesterday's already completed things are recorded. These are the called actually report. It is day 1 report, day 2 report, day 3 report. Got it or not? And as well as there is one more thing we also taken here. There is in our newspaper they given forecast also. Maybe what they are given in the forecast, once check it here. This is today's forecast. This is yesterday's report here. Maximum temperature is a 29.8 degrees centigrade yesterday recorded. Minimum it is a 17.1 only. Minimum it is 17.1. Got it here? And RH means what? Humidity. Yes, and rainfall nil. They are not taken all this sunrise, sun. Okay, these all the things may not taken here. Clear or not? This is only the weather report it is a given. And forecast means what it is today. Today maybe sky is about the sky it is a given partially cloudy. Yes. Here there is a humidity maybe more than 50% maybe rises than yesterday, like that it is a given. And minimum temperature is a 30 degrees centigrade and maximum it is a 30, minimum it is a 17 degrees. Then like that it will be given. Once taken your home also there is a somewhat, yes, they given in the form of a weather report. Okay, clear or not all the students? And what they are included in that weather report, they included mainly that whatever the components are there, temperature, and the next one there is the maxima and minima temperature it will be there, and about the sky nature, about the rainfall, about the humidity. Mainly they are given these things. And the next one it is the wind, the clear, in the form of a clear they given wind nature, and when it is a sunset, when the sun rises. These all the values may included in our weather. Okay, there whatever the components are there, they changes regularly. In our textbook it is also given. Yes, in the TV or otherwise in the newspaper they provided with all the information. Based on this information, I am already given that homework. How many members are completed? On the Monday I am given that homework for you. How many members are completed? Anyone is completed about that weather report of your city? Yes, like this you written. If you not written, you compulsory written by today. Write by today compulsory. Got it or not, students? You mention all the components, whatever the changes coming in the weather. like this humidity and all these things, and you mention the values by searching it is okay now. You take it is the values. Got it or not, students? And based on your village, you have to take your town or village. You take here day 1, day 2, day 3. Means what? Yesterday, today, before yesterday. Yes, the values you have taken and mentioned here. Yes, how there is the weathers are there. Okay now. May you not get the information about the wind. Once you check, there is in your mobile, there it will be, there is get one app is also there in our mobile about the weather broadcasting. Okay now. Yes, especially these all the values are given by whom in our India? There is a somewhat correct values are given by the India. These are the information by this newspaper and other the TVs are taken from where? Yeah, from one of the department. The department is called what? The department is called as meteorological department. That is called what? Meteorological department. They predicted by somewhat calculations and somewhat observation of our satellite pictures. They produced these all the values. Okay, now may the rainfall. Nowadays the cyclones are they recognized already clearly only. There is a cyclone is occur here, a cyclone is affected here. The cyclone may reaches or otherwise may landed on this particular date and time. Exactly they said by which things? By the satellites. There is a come to here page number 55. There is also given here. Yes, and what aspect do you see in the weather record? And which day did not rain? Once you answer that all the questions, whatever given based on the Taylor formula. I hope you understood all the students about this all the components. First we are discussed today only the component and the components how they vary and how we have to record here. Okay, that all the things once again you are analyze it, and tomorrow we'll go with the remaining concept whatever there in that particular our weather report and which one is called weather report, which one is called it is called a forecast, weather forecast. That is only. Yes, I hope you understood. Any doubts are there on the students in this particular component? Any doubts are there here in these components? Students, once give a response to me. There is a what they are given for Hyderabad. They are given day 1, day 2, day 3 information about the whatever the various components here. Yes, what is the components you understood? There is a different components are given like maximum temperature, minimum temperature, humidity, wind, about the sky, about the rainfall, about the sunset, about the sunrise. These all the information is given here. Got it? You have to write about that all the information compulsory. Yes, and for your city it is given for Hyderabad. For your city you have to write here. Okay, now if you have any doubt, please mention here. I hope there is no doubt. Tomorrow we'll go with what the questions may come from here. Okay, clear or not all the students? What the questions may come from here. Yes, when it is a maximum temperature, when it is a minimum temperature, at what day it is a minimum temperature, where high humidity is there. Okay, clear or not all the students? You write this table for your city by observing the newspaper. Yesterday and before yesterday and day before yesterday, you take a newspaper. On that one, what the records are there? Not a forecast you take the records of that particular temperatures and humidity and about rainfall and all these things once you record on the table. Then after question yourself at where the maximum temperature is there, where the minimum temperature is there. Nothing but at which day there is a maximum temperature is there, at which day minimum temperature is there, at which day there is a high humidity is there, at which day there is a low humidity is there. Okay, now at which day there is a clear sky is there, which day there is a cloud sky is there, which day there is a rainfall will occur, which day there is rainfall may not occur. Okay, and what is the sunrising time of day 1, what is the sunrising time of day 2, what is the sunset time of the day 3. Like that, you have to write the questions and answers by yourself only. Got it? This is only the information about the this table of format. Bye students, completely complete this tabular format in your classwork and write questions yourself from the tabular format. What the questions are there in your mind, okay, and answer it, okay, for your city purpose. I hope you understood about this today's homework. Yes, tomorrow we'll go with further our lesson. Thank you. Bye. Take care.